Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so all we have to do is to enter the settings, because unfortunately the timer is not highlighted in this option bar. So let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and now we have to scroll down to find the timer option. It should be under the general. So let's tap on this option, and in this device we've got 4 different timers from which we can choose. So we've got off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on it. As you can see, it will be immediately applied here, so we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, so this is how it works. Of course, you can turn it off just by entering this option again. So let's go to the settings, tap on the timer and tap on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.